Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Introducing this brand new 2023 Kia Telluride SX Prestige X Pro in Midnight Lake Blue. This premium SUV offers an impressive array of safety features to ensure your peace of mind on the road. This Telluride boasts advanced safety technologies, including forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot view monitor, and rear cross-traffic alert. Inside, revel in comfort with premium Napa leather seats, heated and ventilated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. This vehicle also offers convenience with a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, wireless phone charging, and a Harman Kardon premium audio system. With its spacious interior and powerful performance, this brand new 2023 Kia Telluride is an ideal choice for families seeking a luxurious and safe driving experience. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.